Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Englishly, and today we are gonna talk about present simple, especially verbs to be or other action verbs. Let's see how it works. Let's start. So let's have a look. To be and action verbs. To be, particularly in present simple, it is let's say like it is a very lazy verb because it doesn't do any actions. I am a doctor. It is not sunny. We are friends. Are you Anna? They are from London. Please think about these sentences. Is there any movement? Is there any action? Is there any effort? No. It is just these sentences just show who these people are, what the weather is, what's the name of this girl, where these people from, right? But no action. Okay. If we look at action verbs that show us actions, we will see he doesn't work. She goes to the airport by car. So she goes, it is a movement, right? Do penguins fly? Fly, it is an amazing movement, and some people fly on the plane, some birds fly, right? But penguins don't fly. But anyway, do penguins fly? Do you drink tea or coffee? Drink, it is an action, right? It is not just description, it is an action. Do you drink tea or coffee? They don't sleep in the kitchen. It is also an action. They don't sleep in the kitchen. Let's have a look at this very simple, very short checklist. How should we understood if we should put an action verb or a verb to be? It is so simple. I'm sure you already understood it. So, does an object do something, like literally do something? Move, go, fly, drink, sleep, run, any action, any movement. Please be attentive here with the verb like. Like, it is not an action, actually. But anyway, it is a verb. It is not a verb to be. So, it is literally like an action verb here, okay? Let's ask ourselves, does an object do something? If yes, it is an action verb. I fly, you don't go there, do they sleep? If no, it is not an action verb. It is not go, fly, drink, sleep, run, etc., etc. It is a verb to be, should be a verb to be, because there is no action. Anne is pretty. John is smart. Are they from Chicago? So, I also made this slight possible mistakes because I really listen this quite often, and sometimes it can happen. For example, it doesn't sunny, because in some languages it can be confusing. So sometimes we can say, I can hear that some people say it doesn't sunny. But let's have a look. It doesn't sunny. There is no action, guys, right? So no action, it means a verb to be. A verb to be. It is not sunny. Should be. No action, it is not sunny. We don't friends. Why we don't friends? No, there is no action. So it is again a verb to be. We aren't friends, or we are not friends, right? Do you from London? Again, action? I don't think so. No action. So there is a verb to be. So it is we aren't friends. No action. We aren't friends. Sometimes it can also happen vice versa. For example, we can say, I am not go to work. But remember our checklist. Go, it is an action. Action means action verb. Action verbs means I don't go to work. We aren't wake up early. Why we aren't wake up early? Wake up! It is such a sometimes stressful action, but anyway, sometimes very relaxing action. On Sunday, for example, we aren't wake up early. No, wake up. It is an action. It means action verb. So we don't wake up early, right? Are you work in London? Why are you? No, it is not a verb to be. We need an action verb, right? So an action verb. Action verb. Do you work in London? There is an action, so do you work in London? Please remember this and let's move. Now it's time to do the exercises and let's check ourselves. Sentence number 1. I'm not or I don't go shopping every day. Please remember, if there is an action, we remember how we form actions, right? I don't, you don't, he, she doesn't, we don't, they don't, etc. If it is a verb to be, I'm not, he isn't, you aren't, etc. So I'm not go shopping every day or I don't go shopping every day. Number 2, does or is he work for this company? Number 3, we don't friends or we aren't friends. Number 4, Jane isn't eat sweets or Jane doesn't eat sweets. Number 5, do you like strawberry ice cream or are you like strawberry ice cream? 6, do you from London? Are you from London? 7, is she outgoing? Does she outgoing? Remember, always action, non-action, action, non-action. Number 8, do you work hard? Are you work hard? Action, non-action. 9, my friends aren't celebrate New Year or don't celebrate New Year. Number 10, penguins don't fly or penguins aren't fly. Action or not. And number 11, I don't or I'm not like fish. Remember about the verb like that I told you about, which I told you about. And let's move to the answers. So the answers, let's check. Number 1, I don't go shopping every day. 2, does he work for this company? 3, we aren't friends. 4, Jane doesn't eat sweets. 5, do you like strawberry ice cream? 6, are you from London? 7, is she outgoing? 8, do you work hard? 9, my friends don't celebrate New Year. 10, penguins don't fly. 11, I don't like fish. So that is the end of this video, and I hope that you understood everything, that everything was clear for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like it, subscribe to this channel, push the like button, and I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.